another video from Dos Amigos team, and my name is Arav, and today I am going to unbox the Crayola Melt and Mold Factory. And in my other video I will show you how these things actually work. So let's see what's written on the box. Here it is written Crayola Melt and Mold Factory, caution. Here's something written. Here it is written, transform crayons into multicolor creations. Here is the things which are included: melt and mold unit, ring model, ring mold, crayon mold, mold frame, and 24 crayons.
Wow.
And here is written mix, melt and mold. Hence the name Crayola Melt and Mold Factory. Now let's open it. So first there is a manual. Use the manual. And here are the 24 crayons. So here are the things. This is the melt and mold unit, the mold, the 24 crayons, blue, red, green and yellow, and a really long cable. And when you use this, if you use this in India, you will also need an adapter because it uses less electricity. And if you plug it in normal Indian plugs, it will give it more energy and it will blast. So this is the melt and mold unit. Here is the off and on switch. This is the timer. Oh, timer got on. Timer is on. And here is the switch to do it like this. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our video. Ding dong!